See here just solar eclipse. See, this is the sun is not moving anywhere, and earth, here earth, and this is the moon, and earth has the satellite, that is the moon revolves around the earth, and earth revolves around the sun. So when these solar eclipse happening here, these comes into the straight line. So middle moon, when the moon comes into the middle of the position, there comes into the straight line, solar eclipse occurred. See here, this is the earth and moon, sun. And the next lunar eclipse, the earth comes into the middle. See here, earth again revolves around the sun, and the moon, satellite of the earth, and again it is also revolved around the earth. There comes into the straight line, and the lunar eclipse occurred. Okay? See, see here children, and the solar eclipse occurred new moon day, but not all new moon days. Not all new moon days. And the lunar eclipse occurred full moon day, but not all full moon days. So this is the importance of the eclipse and the equinox and summer solstice and autumn season and the south, and here spring season, and here winter solstice and 22nd December. See, just I want to ask some questions from this diagram. See here, what is the importance of the equinox? What is the importance of the equinox? Here what happening on the particular MS1 and MS21, 23. M means March 21st, September 23. Equinox happening. That means in the world, day and nights equal. Okay. So next, June 1st, June 21st, what is the importance of the June 1st here? The sun rays falls on the earth. So here the sun rays directly falls on the Tropic of Cancer. The sun rays directly falls on the Tropic of Cancer. So it has the farthest position of the sun. It has farthest position of the sun, and here it is also called the aphelion. And closest position of the sun, the earth has the closest position to the sun, it is called the perihelion. And what is happening in the north? Autumn season happened. And south side, 21st March, spring season in the south side. So this is the revolution of the earth. So here I hope you are understanding. So here what is the solar eclipse? What is the lunar eclipse? What is the eclipse means? So once again I want to explain. Eclipse means here celestial bodies are there, and celestial bodies means nothing but solar system. Sun has constant place. The 8 planets also revolve around the sun, but some of the planets are having the satellites. So like that, earth having the one of the natural satellite, it is called the moon. See, earth revolve around the sun, at the same time the moon revolve around the earth. So when these revolve around the sun and the earth, so one thing happening, they comes into the straight line. So when the moon in the middle of the earth and sun, the moon, that is called the solar eclipse. So when the earth comes into the moon and sun, it is called the lunar eclipse. So here solar eclipse occurred new moon day, but not all new moon days. And the lunar eclipse occurred in the full moon day and not all full moon days. Okay. See, this is the importance of the revolution of the earth and seasons and this is the second chapter of the social studies 6th class, and globe, model of the earth, globe, model of the earth. And dear students, you should take the textbook and read the, I hope already you read first chapter, and this is the second chapter of the social studies, and read the textbook carefully. More times, 2-3 times read the textbook, underline the main points with pencil. And the next back side of the lesson they are given the some of the exercises. Try to do that, and fill in the blanks also you can fill, and you can read the textbook and get the answer from the textbook and fill in the blanks. And the next some of the inbox questions also given. Do you know? So like that boxes also read, and try to recognize the what is the importance in that boxes, and these are the importance of the globe. So I hope you are understanding globe is a true model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth, and here revolution and rotation, main important things of this lesson, revolution and rotation. Revolution means earth revolves around its own axis. So at the same time the earth revolves around the sun. And here latitudes or longitudes and axis, latitudes and longitudes and axis, 3 are imaginary lines. What are these? Imaginary lines, not a real lines. These are draw on the globe, draw on the world map. Just you can find out with the help of the latitudes, longitudes, place and time. So axis means it is also one of the imaginary line which is connecting to the north pole and south pole. So imaginary lines. So dear students, the second chapter is completed, and everybody should read the textbook and fill in the blanks, and thank you.